Shreyan Shonchari, sit quietly. Acha, let me tell you, in this practice day that will happen on Saturday, in this practice day, there will be question from SST, chapter name, uh, our our school, and also from the houses. Okay, mainly from our school. So there will be 5 questions from SST, from the chapter our school, and also 2 or 3 questions from chapter our houses. Okay, so revise these 2 chapters. So are you ready? Now I am going to share my screen. See our classroom. So this is the chapter that we will do. Okay, after our school you also need to learn about the classroom. First, there is an activity that take the thing you take to school every day. So 1 minute student, today you will get one assignment. Let me tell you about the assignment. Okay, everyone listen to me very properly. Can you see page number 36? See, look at page 36. There is an activity, more to do. Look at page 36. Shreya Shonchari, what happened? Who is doing the class? Who is doing that class? Continuously you are fighting with each other. Continuously. What is this? Keep in mind, this is your class, not your parent, not your mother class. You are our student. Okay, so everyone look at page 36. And Mariam Parveen, you are requested to place your device properly. Okay, it seems to me that you are moving with your cell phone. It's not a video class. You are not doing a video call. This is the online class. Look at other students, see, look at everyone, what they are doing. All of them are sitting properly, and they also place their phone in a particular place. Fix it properly. It's not a video call. How you will do the class? Mariam Parvin, sit properly. Yes. Now see, page 36. It is written that draw the picture of your classroom. Tell the name of your friends studying with you in your class. Use only color pencil. So here you have to draw the picture of your school, and also you have to write the name of your friends. Okay, if you are having 2 friends, you can write 2 names. If you are having 10 friends, you can also write the name of 10 friends. Okay, and here you have to write few sentences about your school. How many sentences, how many lines are there? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have to write 4 sentences. Okay, first sentence you can write. No need to do now, Isha. Now listen to me properly. Did I say to do it now? Now listen to me properly. No need to do. This is your homework. You will get one assignment, and you also have to send your homework in the assignment section. Okay, write a few sentences about your school name. First you can start the sentence at my school name. It is a big school with, it is a big school. Anything you can write. It is yellow in color. Anything you can write about your school. Okay, about the classroom. Okay, 4 sentences you need to write. So this is your homework. Do at your home. No need to do now. Understand? And now start today's class. CW. Things you take to school every day. All of you do this with me. Take a pencil and do this with me. What are the things you take to school every day? Pencil, notebook, eraser, school bag, bottle, these are the things you take to school every day. TV, dog and rickshaw. We don't take to the school. Shubha, Mahir, Mopoli, keep on the video. Keep on the video. Why I need to say? Okay, now let me start. Can you see the classroom? Now look at your book. Can you see? It is a classroom. What are the items that you can see here? We can see a blackboard. It is a blackboard. It is a chart, fan, door, window. These are benches, desk. Here is a dustbin, chalk and duster. So these are the things we can see in a classroom. So these are known as classroom content, classroom items. Yes. So this is Divya. Dibbo or Divya is a student just like you. Just like you, she is also a student. So this is Divya's classroom. Today is her first day at school. Can you help her identify things present in the classroom? Yes, I help her. So I just said that blackboard, charts, fan, door, window, benches, dustbin, chalks and duster is on the table. Okay. Now go to next page. Turn on the next page. So here you have to write the thing. Here you need to write the thing. In here, help Divya to write the name of the thing in the blank space below. Moulisha, Mahir, Shubham, Paban, switch on the video. Everyone, do this. It will be, what will be the answer? Who can tell me? Acha, Moulisha, tell me. Moulisha, tell me, unmute your device.
Yes, ma'am.
What will be the answer? It will be
BOOKS, books.
yes.
TABLE, table. CHAIR, chair. BLACK, black. BOARD, board, blackboard.
Yes.
DESK, desk. DU,
Say
DU,
yes.
STER,
And chair.
duster.
Duster, and after that it will be chair.
Chair.
Completed. So student, listen one thing. Though I have written A in table in capital letter, but it will be small letter. Okay. FAN, this A will be small letter. Okay. So these are the things that we can see in a classroom. Now let's start from here. Different thing in our classroom. There are many tables and chairs in our classroom. A classroom has a blackboard on which the teacher writes with a chalk. That you know. The teacher erases. Erases means মুছে দেওয়া. Erase something. The teacher erased it with the help of duster. We throw all the rubbish. Rubbish means unwanted thing, garbage is okay, in the dustbin. The teacher has a table and a chair. Teacher has a table and a chair. There are chairs and table for the children in the classroom. The children sit on the chair and put their books on the table. There are interesting charts. As I say, chart means it can be chart of alphabets. You have seen in our school chart of A for apple, B for ball, the charts of different tables of mathematics, charts of different letters. Okay. A classroom also has a door and windows to let in fresh air and sunlight. Let in me so that the fresh air and sunlight can enter the classroom. Let in me যাতে ভিতরে ঢুকতে পারে. We should keep our classroom neat and clean. We should keep our classroom neat and clean. Completed. अच्छा, yes, অগ্নিদীপ্তা.
ম্যাম আগের চ্যাপ্টারে যে একটা ড্রয়িং একটা প্রজেক্ট আপনি দেবেন বলেছিলেন ওটা এখনো দেননি কেন?
এই যে I just said অগ্নিদীপ্তা, I just said today, I said now that before Friday we'll give you so that you should get time.
ম্যাম
I just said page number 36. Ognidipta, open page number 36. There is an activity that more to do. You have to draw the picture of your classroom and have to write the name of your name of your friends. Okay.
ম্যাম
So this is the project. So student, you can do this project in your drawing copy also, mentioning the subject name. But if you want to draw in your book, that also you can do. And I will give you this in the assignment section. Okay. After the class, you will get the assignment.
ম্যাম বইতেই
Yes, you can. You can do in the book. Okay, student, read this chapter. Read the chapter. Start reading, all of you. Yes, Shubro. Start reading.
Ma'am.
Read loudly.
Ma'am, here is, I have a question. Help Divya to write the names of the things in the blank space below. It is chart. Chair. See? Chair T. Chart. See? Last letter is T.
It is chart. C-H-A-R-T. C-H-A-R-T. Thank you, Shubro.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Welcome, welcome.
Okay, a blackboard is now look at this street brick block. It is written that a blackboard is made of a type of rock. ROCK, rock means stone. ROCK, rock means stone. Pathor. So a blackboard is made of a type of rock called slate. SLAT, slate. You also used to write slate. Now in our childhood, we started writing on the slate. So slate itself is a rock. Slate একটা পাথর. Yes. Yes, Isha.
Yes, ma'am.
You're not checking.
Ma'am, you not check my family project.
Family project.
Yes.
2 months ago.
Family
2
project.
months.
Family project means family tree.
Yes, ma'am.
That I have given before a long time.
Yes. 2 months ago.
I I check everyone posted it in the chat group. I said to upload it again in the chat group, and that time I check everyone, and I also I have checked your one also.
No, ma'am.
Okay, I'll recheck. But yes, everyone has 2 months ago. Yes, that was a science project, no?
Ma'am, last Saturday there was no class. No class test.
You are
Last Saturday.
yes. The last Saturday you are not informed. Your class teacher should be informed to you that as we were celebrating our Independence Week, that's why last Saturday there were no class days. Your class teacher should inform you.
Oh,
Okay, let it be. That I cannot tell you. But this Saturday there will be test. Okay.
okay, ma'am.
And Isha, send your project. But I can remember that in the chat group I have checked your family tree. I can remember.
Can I say?
Yes, you can. Send me.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Upama.
ম্যাম ওই যে এখানে যেটা বলেছিল হেড দিবা টু রাইট দ্য নেম অফ থিং ইন আ ব্ল্যাঙ্ক স্পেস বিলো আপনি তো ওই লাস্ট ওয়ার্ডটা লিখেছেন সি এইচ এ আই টি ওটা হবে চার্ট
Yes, see, I have written again CHART chart. Okay. Thank you for checking my copy. Sometime I did this intentionally so that you can rectify me. Yes.
what meaning of salt S A L S L A T E
Slate. It is called slate. 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 Slate is a rock. ROCK. Rock means it is a stone. In our childhood, I hope that everyone used slate to write. In our childhood, we started writing slate. Started writing on slate. Yes? Did you have written slate? Did you have written on slate?
no ma'am
Yes, আমরা ছোটবেলায় স্লেটে লিখি না, চক দিয়ে স্লেটে লিখি তো।
yes I am writing slate
Yes.
when I am small
Yeah, when you are very small, that is slate. Slate is a rock. It is a kind of stone.
okay ma'am thank you
Thank you. Acha, Shreyan Sanchari. Yes, say.
yes ma'am
Tell me. Tell me. Shreyan Sanchari, you are raising your hand. Any question you are having? Do you want to say? Okay, are you reading the chapter?
yay
Okay, good.
thank you ma'am
Thank you. Yes, Mopoli. Yes, Mopoli, tell me.
no ma'am
Nothing. Okay. Yes, Jishan.
yes ma'am
What happened?
give me yes ma'am question chilo today is not class message is today is not class
No, no, no. You failed to understand the meaning. It was clearly written in the notice that instead মানে 19 তারিখের বদলে instead of 20th August there will be Maharam. It's mean 19 তারিখে না হয়ে 20 তারিখে ছুটিটা দেওয়া হলো as for government rule. ওকে, তোমরা নোটিশটা বুঝতে অনেকে ভুল করছো। আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ড?
Yes, ma'am.
Any question, student? So what is, you will get one assignment about your classroom, about you have to draw the picture of your classroom and also have to write the name of your friend. So is it clear? Let me check. Mubasir Molla, you are not there in the class. Mubasir, where are you? Any question? আচ্ছা, শ্রেয়ান সঞ্চারী, ওকে। ঈশা, okay, let me ask you a few questions. Okay, let me ask you a few questions. Tell me, the teacher writes on the wall or blackboard with a chalk? The teacher writes.
Blackboard.
Very good.
Blackboard. Blackboard. Second is classroom.
Slowly. Tell me
It
slowly.
is the classroom.
There are chairs.
Blackboard.
There are chairs and tables.
Are
for the
blackboard.
children.
Classroom.
Playground.
Classroom.
There are many interesting charts or clocks on the walls of the class.
Chart.
Yes.
Chart.
Keep our classroom neat and
Chart.
tidy or clean. We should keep our classroom. Okay, silent. So now tell me, we throw all the books in the dustbin. It is true or false? No, it is false because the teacher has a table and chair. It is true. Okay. Children sit on the chair. The children sit on the chair. It is true or false? One minute. Okay. The question of exercise C. How does a teacher teach us in a classroom? Where do children put their books in the classroom? Where should we throw rubbish in the classroom? Class is almost over. You can go up just after 2 minutes. Okay. Everyone solve the exercise in your book. Do the exercise in your book. So answer of this question you no need to write, you will get it. We will do Monday in the class so that I can explain the meaning of these questions. Okay, no need to do in your home. We will solve all the
Improvement.
questions in the class only. And remember, today you will get one assignment that is on classroom. I just said, na? I just said, yes. So this is the 1 minute. Okay, see, this is draw the picture of your classroom. Tell the name of your friend studying with you in your class. Use only color pencil. So everyone, look at the screen. This is your homework. You will get it through assignment. And also you have to do write a few sentences about your school. Any 4 sentences, because here it is 4 lines. 4 lines are there. So you can write 4 sentences. Yes, say.
ওইটা কি কালার পেন্সিল দিয়ে করতে হবে নাকি মোম কালার দিয়ে?
Color pencil. First you can draw with pencil.